It hurts, you know? Stop being so rough, okay? Now there's a nice... Okay.
Now where can I find the perfect branch to finish my nest? Oh no, it's gone! Why me again? No! Oh, I've got to hurry up and find that branch before he catches up to me. What? When did he start rhyming and speaking? Oh, why are you coming after me again? What did I ever do to you?
You ever tried this?
Nope.
Here, why don't you try one? So?
Oh, it's so sour!
What? Really? Oh, I guess it wasn't ripe yet, eh?
What? Don't eat them, they're sour! Oh, just the thought of it makes my mouth pucker, too!
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so gross! Oh.
Here comes that aftertaste! Darn! Nothing here! I need to find the perfect one. That pest does incredible aim with those things. I have something very important to do today. No! Why don't you ever listen to me?